In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get your ActiveCampaign API key. Whether you're new to ActiveCampaign or simply need a refresher, obtaining your API key is a straightforward process that can unlock a lot of capabilities for integrating and automating your marketing efforts. So, let's dive right in. First, you'll want to make sure you're logged into your ActiveCampaign account. Assuming that you're at the dashboard, take a look towards the bottom left of your screen. Here, you'll find a menu with several options. What we're looking for is the settings icon. It typically looks like a gear, symbolizing the control panel of your account. Go ahead and click on it. Clicking this will open up a range of settings that relate to various facets of your ActiveCampaign account. After clicking on the settings icon, you'll notice a list of options appear. What you need to do now is locate the option labeled Developer. The Developer section is vital, as this is the area where you can manage all your developer-related settings and configurations, including the API key, which allows your applications and services to interact with your account. Once you click on Developer, you'll be taken to a new page specifically meant for developer tools. This is the area where all the magic happens in terms of integrations and API management. Front and center, you'll see two important pieces of information: your API URL and your API key. These are the credentials you'll use whenever you want to enable communication between ActiveCampaign and other services, platforms, or applications you might be using. Keep in mind, your API key is like a password, granting access to your account's data. Handle this information with care. Share it only with trusted sources or applications. Safeguarding your API key is crucial for maintaining the security of your data. And that's all there is to it. By following these steps, you should now have access to your ActiveCampaign API key and URL, ready to be used for various integrations and automations. This little piece of information can power a lot of useful applications and connections, making your marketing workflow much smoother and more effective. Thanks for watching, and I hope this walkthrough has been helpful for you. If you have any other questions about ActiveCampaign or related topics, feel free to reach out, and don't hesitate to check out more of our tutorials for additional tips and guidance. Have a great day, and happy automating with ActiveCampaign.